Well, hello guys, my name is Nick from Nick's Toy Garage, and today part 2 of our massive auction unboxing. Yes, this is massive. So in the first part we had these two boxes. My cable is in the way. So these two boxes are gone, and let's start with that one. Next part I promise we're going to do the James Bond cars. Yes, they're James Bond cars, but first another big box. Oh, I love this. So I'm gonna sit down again, forgot my cushion this time. And let's start with the first one. Oh, the door opens. We have last episode, all Fords. Start with a Ford. So, cable out of my way. We have a Ford Thunderbird 1955. I think this is a Burago. Not really sure. It's no name brand. No, it's an S name. Not really sure. Then we have a Ford. This guy really likes Ford and Ferrari. We'll see in the future. We have a Ford Mustang Convertible GT 1994. Then we have a nice and broken Tonka Ferrari, what is it, the 348 TB. Yeah, the seatbelt is coming out, the window's broken. This probably won't sell for much. Next we have the Ferrari 348 TS from Maisto. Yeah, sure, made in Thailand. This is actually a really nice model. On to the next one. Close the door, excuse me. Next we have, what is this supposed to be? Not sure why this is a thing, but this is a Vitesse. This is a Ford, not a Ford, a Renault Kangoo Pampa 1998 metal green with a mirror in the back. I don't have words for that. That's really strange. Next we have a VW Golf, is a Golf number 3. Nice. Next, let's go. We have a construction vehicle, no name brand. The no name brands are probably going to skip quite a lot because, yes. Then, oh damn, the Ford is falling apart. We have a no name brand Ford. It's missing the wheel, but I think I saw it in the box somewhere. But yeah, this is actually, it's cheap plastic, but it's nice. Next we have a Ford GT Convertible 1989, so put it with the other one. Next, we have a Matchbox Super King. This is a Unimog. Should be nice to restore. When you sit down a little bit more, I see something nice. I love my station wagons. This is a Mercury, I think. Yes, Mercury Commuter. I love this car. So what's supposed to be there? Need to look that up after this video. Next we have a no-name brand Buick. We have a Mercedes. This is a don't really know. This is a E320. Next we have this is the AMX, I think, the AMX Javelin with the opening doors. This one, oh, it's missing an A-pillar, but I can restore this one, I think. The window seems to be okay. Gonna give this a shot later. Next, no name brand. I think this is supposed to be a Ford made in China. Next we have another Jaguar. No, not Jaguar, just a Jaguar S-Type. Is it HS S-Type X? No, just an S-Type. Nice. I'm not really comfortable outside. We have a Mercedes. This is an SLK 320. Nice. Next, ooh, Jaguar. We have a Matchbox Super King Jaguar XJ12, and this is actually a really nice model. I really want to restore this one, but I'm scared of losing the pattern on the side. I'll sit down again. Then we have a Matchbox Peugeot. What? What's this supposed to be? I have no idea, but I want to restore it. Don't know it, just restore it. Then we have a Porsche 928 from Burago. We have a Matchbox, where is it? Kenworth. Really love a Kenworth truck. Another no-name brand. I think this is supposed to be a Ford or something. Then we have a Chevy Bel Air. I think this is a Matchbox. Yes, it is. It's a Chevy Bel Air. Then, just drop it again. We have a BMW. This is a, can't read it, 528i, nice. We have a Pontiac, I think it is. No, Ford Mustang too. Whoops, the Cobra sign on the side should have rung a bell with me, but it didn't. Oh well, we have a Matchbox Matra Ranco. Sure, I want to store this one. It's lovely. We have, I think this is supposed to be a Fantastic. Nice model. Next, a 300ZX Turbo with the Targa tops off. We have a Citroën XM from Majorette. The big one. This is, let's see if I can do it one-handed. You have Ferrari 356 GT. In really nice shape actually. Should clean up really nice. Then let's pull out another big one. Ooh, the windshield. I think I can fix that. Yeah, they didn't really pack it all that smart when they just threw it in this thing. This is a Mercedes 300 SL. And next, let's bend over it again. We have a Matchbox. It should help if I kept it the right way. This is a recovery vehicle. Nice. Ooh, another big one. And a nice one. Oh, it's missing the wheel. Oh, well, this is a Burago Ferrari Testarossa 250. Really nice. There's something laying in there. Not really sure what that is supposed to be. Next, we have a Hot Wheels, not sure, a BMW 335i. We have the thing I dropped a couple minutes ago. This is a Dodge concept car. A VW Golf, another AMC Javelin. I'm gonna go through them a little bit faster. We have a Group C Racer. Digger, another Renault 11. We have a Yatming. This is a Mercedes 500, I think, 500 SEC. Then this is a Harry Hustler. Two of these Kellogg's, well, Corgi cars, Ford Model T vans. That was it. Then we have a Matchbox airport coach. A Matchbox, can't see it, Sleet and Snow, I think it was saying. Then we have a Jaguar convertible, the XJS V12. This is a Peterbilt, my favorite brand of truck. Let's change my sitting position again. Oh, we have Harry the tow truck again. Nice. Then we have a Renault 11 again. We have a Porsche. Can't read it, it's dirt in the way. A Porsche 96, I don't know, oh shite. Next we have a Volvo from no name brand. Not one but two of these Majorette Chevy Impalas. We have a Mercury police car. A Morgan. A BX4 TC, is it TC? Yes, from Majorette. Mini pickup, Matchbox Toys. Ooh, this one is really nice. Next, ooh, I can see some boxcars in the bottom. Almost, I'm so excited. An XM. We have another of these, is a Porsche, no, it's the High Trailer. We have a Clark thingy. Another Kellogg's car, not Ford Model T. Nova car. A little Unimark and another of these no-name brand. I think this is supposed to be a Ford. Then a Porsche 924 with a missing trunk. We have an Audi 90. Nice. I think this is supposed to be a Toyota. Let's see. A open back truck. Thank you for that. Yes. We have, I see we have a lot. We have a T-Bird coupe, turbo coupe. Another one of these construction thingy vehicles. We have a roller from a no-name brand. This is looking awesome. This is a Matchbox Sprint Racer. Screams to be restored and will get restored, I promise. Then we have a BMW M1. Love this car in real life. Just saw one a couple months ago. A tractor, a Volvo from Majoette. Another 300 ZX Turbo. A Porsche. This is Matchbox, I think. No, it isn't. Is it Matchbox? Yes, Matchbox Turbo. Intact, so should be a nice restoration. We have a Ford Transit. A Corgi Aston Martin DB6. You know I love my Aston Martins. We have an X5. Then a Ferrari F40. I will also say F50, but it's an F40 from Matchbox. Then a Matchbox Rover 3500. I love this car in real life. I think Two Houses Down has one, a Hot Wheels stock kind of thingy race car. A Volvo from Majoette, a 760 GLE. Then let's rechange my position again. It's really uncomfortable sitting on the floor. Another one of these. Ooh, didn't notice this one. This is a Ferrari. It's a, let's see the bottom, a GTO. Really nice car. Again, if you're interested in any of these cars, please let me know in the comment section below, and we might get to a price if you want to pay the probably overseas shipping, I would imagine. Then we have a Golf GTI, another Porsche Turbo, another one of these little cars, the police car, no name brand, the Edo car, ooh, Coke. Then we have the, I can't read it to the camera. We have a Monte, not even gonna try it. I love this car, missing the window, but that should be an easy restoration if I can find the window. Another BMW, is it a BMW? Yes, the M1. This is a nice one. This is a Corvette C4. Just a Corvette. Correct me, thank you. A Ferrari 308 GTS. Really love my Ferraris. Then we have a Matchbox LTD modified racer. This is nice, really nice. Okay, I'm gonna take one of the boxes. This is a Microchamps It's a Metal 164 from Microchamps, a Formula 1 car. Nice. Let's put it right there. Take the other box car. A Ford Escort Cosworth from Michael Schumacher. This might be worth something. I'm gonna look it up after the video. Then we have Dodge Challenger with massive rear wheels. A Peugeot 205 GTI, screams to be restored. Going to do it. A Porsche from Majoette. How did I know it was Majoette? Because the wheels are sticking out a million miles out of the actual bodywork. Next, Fiat Punto. I sold a couple of these. Then we have a Hot Wheels Camaro. Nice. A door skin. A VW Tiguan. Then we have a Jaguar XJ220. Love this car in real life. I saw one a couple of years ago. We are doing this one, a Porsche 944 Turbo. Really want to own one of these. Gonna look for one, promise. This is a, let's put it the right way around, a Dodge Challenger Mark III. That's something strangely looking, strange looking. An Audi Coupe, an Audi Quattro. Still not empty, not even close. We have a Hot Wheels, not sure, what is this? Let me know what this is, I'm not sure. A truck, another one of these, another one of these, a lot of these, lots and lots of these No-name brand, another construction vehicle. We have a Escort, Edo car, not Escort, Edo car, BMW. One of these. Lamborghini. Ooh, a nice Lamborghini. I like Lamborghinis. Let's take out the Citroën Traction Avant. Here is it. It is a Citroën TA. I love this car. This is beautiful. My sister of my grandmother had one of these. And we have another Ferrari with the missing well, bonnet, I should say. A card. What make or model? What brand? Toy Things. I'm not sure. We have a pickup, Ford pickup, with the grill intact. That's impossible. I have about 6 or 7 of these and all the grills are gone, so this is a magic moment. it's worth the money I paid for only that thing. Hot Wheels, another Morgan, an F50, another one of these cheap things, a truck and one of these. Next we have a Volvo 480 ES. Dodge Viper, a camper. This is nice. This is really nice. Straight to the collection. A London cab, a construction vehicle, and one of those cheap things. One of these, no-name brand. What's it? A Cadillac, Hong Kong. Not really sure. It's a nice car. A Matchbox. Jeep Cherokee, tractor and a tractor and a truck. 2 more of these. Damn, there are a lot of these. Another one of these Cadillacs and another one of these. Clark thingy, forklift, a Land Rover, a Peugeot 205. Is it GTI? Yes, GTI convertible. Some moldy leaves, a wheel. I think that's the wheel from the Ford thingy there, I think. Yes, it is, so I'm gonna keep that safe. We have a Grand Sport Corvette, 1 more of these, a Siku Omega Caravan, an Opel Omega, or Vauxhall, depends where you're from. This is a Metroid thing. No, Auto Bianchi! Nice. Then a Jeep. Ooh, that's nice. By Marks. This is a Jeep by Marks. Nice. A 40 Porsche. Nice. Transit. Another BMW M1. A Pontiac from Majorette. I know I'm going through this quite fastly, but I still need to have a million to go through. Another one of these cheap things. I'm not sure they're cheap, by the way. I just have a million of these. This is a crazy car. Oh, I want to restore this one. I want to restore this one. This will get restored. Construction vehicle. This is an Audi 90. Golf GTI. A green one. What's this supposed to be? A Saab Turbo. I love Saab. I love cars. This is a Renault 5TL. Oh, this is cute. Gonna restore everything. Sorry, nothing for sale. No, there's a lot for sale, but I am planning on restoring quite a lot of these. So another truck, and last but not least, a Porsche 959. So if you enjoyed part 2 of this massive unboxing, please leave a like, subscribe. Part 1 is going to be in the description down below. Part 3 will be next week. Thank you very much for watching, and hope to see you next time. Bye.